Cloud services usually come in one of three distinct offerings. These are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Infrastructure as a service offerings generally provide services which replace hardware resources. This includes things like servers and network equipment. Software as a service offerings provide users with what amounts to end user applications, but running on an operating system not maintained by the company. While infrastructure as a service offerings allow businesses to run their own applications on a server owned by the provider, SaaS offerings run their own software on their own equipment, providing the software itself as a service rather than just the infrastructure underneath it. Platform as a service offerings sit somewhere in between SaaS offerings and infrastructure as a service offerings. Often, SaaS and PaaS can get a bit blurred. Platform as a service can be thought of in forms of content creation or in terms of its users. PaaS offerings are generally tools used to create or run applications. For example, Microsoft offers its SQL Server as a PaaS offering. SQL Server is not hardware infrastructure, and it isn't an end-user application. Rather, it is a software platform that a SaaS offering might be dependent on. Ultimately, the difference between infrastructure, platform, and software as a service revolves around the amount of responsibility for support and management you incur versus the cloud vendor.